Smartphones are the default. Mirrorless cameras are the upgrade. Sharper images, better low light, real lens flexibility, and footage that looks like nothing a phone can produce. These 5 cameras cover every level from genuine entry-level to professional-grade hybrid, each capable of producing vertical social media content that stops the scroll. Subscribe before we get into it. The Fujifilm X-T30 III is the most accessible and genuinely entry-level camera on this list. Released in late 2025 at $999 body only, making it the clear starting point for creators moving up from a smartphone. It carries the same 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor as before, now paired with the X Processor 5, which brings subject detection autofocus, covering people, animals, vehicles, aircraft, insects, and drones, a significant upgrade over the previous generation. Video tops out at 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 60p, with no 8K capability, but the footage quality and Fujifilm film simulation output are more than capable for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The new film simulation dial replaces the drive mode dial, making it faster to switch between looks while filming. Amateur photographer called it small, enjoyable, and excellent image quality. Exactly what the entry-level audience needs. At 329 grams with a magnesium alloy chassis and 2.36 million .EVF, it punches well above its class. For first-time mirrorless buyers who want Fujifilm's color science and AI autofocus at the lowest price on this list, the X-T30 III is the confident starting point. All the links are in the description, go check it out. The X-T50 is the step-up mid-range option, a genuine leap in resolution and capability over the X-T30 III, while maintaining a compact, retro-styled body. It shares the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and X Processor 5 with the flagship X-T5 and X-H2, meaning the image and video quality you get is essentially flagship level in a smaller $1,399 body. Amateur photographer called it the best APS-C camera at its price, a strong claim backed by the sensor, AI autofocus, and IBIS. IBIS is the standout upgrade over the X-T30 III, a first for the X-T-XX line, delivering up to 7 stops of in-body stabilization that transforms handheld vertical video into smooth, usable footage without a gimbal. Video peaks at 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 60p, same as the X-T30 III, no 8K. DP Review confirmed most of the X-T5 features arrive in a smaller, less expensive body. For content creators who want the full Fujifilm flagship sensor in a pocketable package with stabilization, the X-T50 is the most versatile mid-range pick on this list. The Fujifilm X-H2 is the only APS-C camera on this list that shoots genuine 8K video, 8K 30p internally from its 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. DP Review called it almost certainly the best 8K camera under $2,000 at its launch. The practical benefit for vertical social media is significant. Shooting 8K horizontal and cropping to a 9:16 vertical frame leaves you with a 4K equivalent vertical clip, no quality lost, full creative flexibility in post without ever physically rotating the camera. Amateur photographer called the overall package a high-quality camera of terrific value at its price. The larger XH body brings a top panel LCD display, dual card slots, a more comfortable grip for longer shoots, and compatibility with the optional add-on fan unit for extended 8K recording sessions. IBIS is included. The honest trade-off is size and weight. This is a prosumer body, not a compact carry, and at $1,999, it is priced accordingly. For content creators who want the 8K crop for vertical workflow, the X-H2 is the most practical and affordable path to that capability in a mirrorless camera in 2026. The Canon EOS R5 is the professional full-frame option, a 45 megapixel CMOS sensor capable of 8K raw video internally, with dual pixel CMOS AF2 that digital camera world called a powerhouse performer even today. The R5's 8K output gives content creators the same crop for vertical advantage as the X-H2, but from a full-frame sensor, meaning better low-light performance, shallower depth of field control, and access to Canon's exceptional RF lens system. 8-stop IBIS stabilizes footage effectively for handheld vertical shooting. The R5 is a 2020 camera. Its successor, the EOS R5 Mark II, has since launched, which means the original R5 is now available at significantly reduced pricing, making its professional-grade specs more accessible than ever. The honest trade-off is thermal management. Extended 8K recording can cause the body to heat and throttle, requiring breaks for continuous long-form work. For professional-level vertical content, brand campaigns, high-production social media, cinematic reels, the Canon EOS R5 at its current 2026 discounted pricing is one of the strongest value propositions on this list. Closing with the most powerful camera on this list, the Nikon Z8. Live Science confirmed its 8K 60p video capability. The highest frame rate 8K available on any camera here, alongside 4K at 120p from a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame CMOS sensor. Amateur photographer called it possibly the most accomplished all-rounder among high-end mirrorless cameras available. DP Review described it as essentially the Z9 flagship in a smaller body at a lower price. For vertical social media, the Z8 is the ultimate tool. 8K 60p means you can crop any portion of a horizontal frame to vertical and still have stunning quality, shoot slow motion 4K for reels, and capture 45 megapixel stills in the same body without compromise. The X-Speed 7 processor, 493-point autofocus, mechanical shutter elimination for silent shooting, and dual card slots cover every professional workflow. With prices now well below the original $3,999 MSRP, the Z8 has become significantly more accessible. For anyone who wants the absolute ceiling of mirrorless performance for social media and beyond, the Nikon Z8 delivers it. All the links and purchasing details for every camera on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best mirrorless cameras for vertical social media content in 2026. From a $999 entry-level Fujifilm with flagship autofocus to an 8K 60p full-frame Nikon that crops to vertical with zero quality loss. The upgrade from a phone is real. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.